Hi everyone, this is China again. Today we will continue learning practical English sentences. Our goal today is to master 15 daily essential sentences. After watching this video, I hope you will be able to use them to describe things in your daily conversations. At the end of the video, I will show you 2 slides to review what we've learned today. If you enjoyed my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Without further ado, let's get started. In today's lesson, we are going to learn 15 sentences on how to describe things. What colors do you like? I like blue, purple, and green. What about you? I prefer bright colors such as yellow, orange, and red. My art teacher doesn't let us use black, white, brown, or gray. What size t-shirt do you wear? Small or large? Large. Don't you see I am tall and fat? Is your room a big one or a small one? A big one. Who is the tallest person in your family? My elder brother is the tallest one. My younger brother is the smallest. What is the tallest sculpture in the world? Maybe it is the Sphinx in Egypt or the Statue of Liberty. I don't really know. How many pencils do you have in your pencil box? I have a lot. Would you like some orange juice? A little bit, please. Yes, please. To your left, you can see all the way down to the sea. When you know the answer, put your right hand up. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.